Petcube sent me their Play 2. So, to my knowledge, Petcube mainly, I mean, maybe they might make other stuff, but Petcube makes products for pets, and the Play is a series of cameras that are able to monitor your pets as well as somewhat interact with them and help you interact with them. Pretty simple box, very quickly. A couple of cautions. This does come with a laser pointer, so yeah, just being careful that you don't shine that into someone's eyes. Gotta get this open up. So this looks nice, actually. So this is the cube, or I guess the Play 2. It's in the shape of a cube. Let's see what else there is first. So this is one of those pins that you stick into the really small holes. Usually, I mean, with like other tech stuff, it's like reset products, but here it looks like you'll need it in order to set it up entirely. So this, this has instructions. One, free month of Petcube Care. I don't know if that's like a warranty or a subscription service. And then there are, this is a charging cube, and this looks to be USB to USB-C. So let's first look and see what the instructions are like. There is multiple languages, so decent amount of information. So setup, get the app, make sure you plug in the cube, press setup at the bottom, and then follow the instructions. Does this have a screen on it? I'm trying to see where this is in relation to the Play. And it talks about placement. Yeah, most of this looks to be safety and informational stuff. So one page of instructions. Probably, I would hope there is additional info online. So looking at this, how do you get this off? I guess you just slide it off. I thought this tab here you'd pull off, but I guess not. So a couple of interesting things. I do think it's neat that you can put this on a tripod. That's pretty cool. That button is probably what you push to get it started. Here's the camera. This, I don't really know what's behind here. It looks like it's a little bit complicated. And, I mean, nothing on these two sides. On the back, looks like a speaker. And this is the USB-C slot, but it says use with Petcube adapter only. So I don't entirely know what makes this cable specific to the Play 2 or Petcube's products. I mean, looking at it, it looks like it's just a USB to USB-C cable. I can't see anything different, but maybe there's, I don't think, there's nothing else that came with it. Okay, well, I guess there was some stickers that I missed, whoops, but I cannot find any other cables or tech-related things in here. I've basically torn apart the box, and yeah, there's nothing else. So I don't know why you would have to use a specific cable. I would have to assume that any USB-C cable would work, but maybe I'm wrong about that. I'm not sure. So let's I'm gonna take this pin, try and figure this out, and where was it again? Yeah, I think this is the, yeah, so there's the button that you press. You might have to plug this in. I'm going to get the cable out and I'll get this plugged in a sec. Okay, so I got this cable plugged into the wall. Gonna plug it in. Okay, so we got a yellow light. So there is some film on here. Take that off. Throw that there. Okay, so now it's blue and yellow. I believe it's probably trying to pair. And gonna see if pushing this button does anything. If I can find the pin. Here it is. Okay, so yeah. Let me, come on. So pushing this in.
Ready for setup.
Okay, so that probably is putting it into pairing mode if I had to guess. And from there, you would get on your app and do everything from there, I think. And that's where I'll probably leave this off. But there's a quick little unboxing of this, and I'll show the rest of the stickers for now. But if that interests you, I would imagine this is probably more akin to cats, because with the laser pointer, that's I know that's more of a cat thing. My dogs have never been too interested in laser pointers, but if you have a dog that is into that, or if you just want to watch your pets in general, this is a pretty hefty piece of tech. And I imagine that people have videos of
Ready for setup.
their experiences with this online. So yeah, there you have it.